Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Congratulations to all Mu'mineen and Mu'minat on the Wiladat of Imam Hassan alayhi salam. Imam Hassan's entire life revolves around his divine imamat. This includes the decision he made on how to deal with Muawiya. One of the companions of Imam Hassan alayhi salam objected him on why he made the peace treaty with Muawiya. Imam Hassan alayhi salam replied, "Do you know I am the Imam appointed by Allah? After my father Ali bin Abi Talib, I am the Hujjat of Allah upon humanity." Imam Hassan alayhi salam said, "We are the chosen ones by Allah, and Ayat Tathir has been revealed in our honor." Imam Hassan alayhi salam said, "By making the peace treaty, I have saved the lives of my followers, just like how my grandfather saved the lives of Muslims after making the peace agreement of Hudaybiyah with the Mushrikeen of Makkah." Matter of fact, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam stated a hadith saying that Hassan is from me and I am from Hassan. This hadith indicates that every action Imam Hassan alayhi salam made was the same as the seerat of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam.